How to add a clickable link in your TikTok bio. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how you can add a clickable link in your TikTok bio. So for that, what you need to do is you're going to open up your TikTok application on your mobile phone. We can do this on iOS or Android. So what you need to do is the first option is actually you have to have 1000 followers on TikTok in order to add a clickable link. So if you do not have 1000 followers, there is another way we can do this. You have to click on these three lines at the top, click on settings and privacy. Now you will scroll down to report a problem. Inside report a problem, you're going to scroll down to links if you have this option available, or you can simply go to your account and profile. And now we have login, email and phone number, profile page, and here you will find linked list and others maybe. Okay, and we're gonna select need more help. So once you get right here, you actually have to enter that I want to add a clickable link in my TikTok bio, and you can explain why. If you have a small business, if you have a website and you do not have 1000 followers, you can actually still request Instagram to give you the option. So you will enter the details right here. You can also upload an image, click on submit, and a problem will be sent to TikTok and they will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will be solved. Otherwise, you can go to the edit profile option in your bio. We can also add a link in bio, so you can copy and paste the link right here and it will be added. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.